can I be the tenant in my house? You call me the terrorist when I am terrorized. For 75 years my land has been wailing. The occupier is given more power and he only greets me with missiles. I watch as those bombs and rockets took everyone I held dear to my heart, gleaming in the sky like raindrops in the sunlight, in an instant destroying my hopes. I see it all. I see the secret struggles and hidden hurts. I see the pain and the discomfort. I see it all. Just as my eyes have not been blind to you, my ears have also not. My parents are only promised with death. My sisters are hopeless. My parents are dying from illness. The children have lost childhood blinks, and that is the only reward for them. Children stripped of their innocence, hearts set to stones, and still the world is dead, the world is dead, the world is down, the world is blind. But I shall not relent in fighting. The stone is my weapon against their missiles. Even if I die, where are the Muslims? Are they also blind to our plight? Where are the human rights societies? Are they now ignorant of human rights violations? Justice, justice, justice for Palestinians.
HAFIZ TV, unique every day.